Announced 95% success of its experimental vaccine in preventing one from contracting COVID-19. This as LCS Mutahi Kagwe once again dismisses the existence of a successful vaccine, as he warns that Kenya will not be used as a guinea pig in vaccine trials. Zainab Mohammed has the details.
Moderna, a US-based company, has announced 95% success of its experimental vaccine in preventing one from contracting COVID-19. The company that is the second one to announce a huge progress in the search for a vaccine after Pfizer vaccine says its interim analysis was based on 95 infections among trial participants who received either a placebo or the vaccine. Out of the 95 infections, only 5 infections have occurred in those who received the vaccine, which is administered in 2 shots 28 days apart. However, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, who recently went viral for casting doubts on the effectiveness of a vaccine in the fight against COVID-19, has once again come out to rubbish the participation of Kenya in vaccine trials, saying Kenya will not be used as guinea pigs.
Nobody would want us to succeed in getting a vaccine more than the Ministry of Health and the government of the Republic of Kenya. That is why we are also involved through KEMRI, Wellcome Trust. We are also involved in the attempt to come up with a vaccine and to help people and to save lives. But let me also say this. Thus, Kenya will not also used as guinea pigs to test vaccines that are essentially not cleared.
According to Kagwe, despite the government championing the efforts for the search of a COVID-19 vaccine, it will be extra careful in selecting which trials to participate in.
The side effects that we have seen with vaccines that have already been launched, then you can understand why we want the vaccine yesterday, but we are also cautious. And those who are rushing to tell us about the vaccines are the ones who will rush to condemn us when we start getting people dying or having serious side effects.
This even as the country today records a total of 559 infections, 478 recoveries, and 18 deaths. The government maintains that the search for a COVID-19 vaccine is a work in progress and that Kenya will not be used as guinea pigs in vaccine trials that have not been tried and tested. Zainab Mohammed, TV47, Nairobi.